Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce you a Redragon model. This one is K579 RGB gaming mouse. As you can see the package, it's full mechanical keyboard. And at the back of the package we can see here have some languages to describe this gaming keyboard. This one is RGB with a blue switch. Okay, so next one I will show you the details for the keyboard. This is our K579 RGB keyboard. This is a package. When you received the keyboard, maybe you'll find this as a gift, but I wanna tell you what this for. You're surprised when you received this gift. As you can see, this one is RGB, and these 6 keys you can see here is to change the mode of the keyboard light. Let me show you. FM plus INS. FM plus home. FM plus this keys is to change the light. Also, FM plus this keys is to change the heat tone of the light. You can see. Also, another key is to click this, you can see, and this is also change the heat tone of the light. When you turn off these keys, this number is to turn on or turn off the volume of the computer. At the top of the keyboard, you can see these 2 keys, right? Down and up. If you press FN with down, it changes the speed of the light. You can see the light is very slow now, right? And now I will press FN plus up. The light is very fast now. At the top of the keyboard, you can see from F1 to F12. These 20 keys is to change the median. If you want to show a calculator, you just press FN with F11. It will show you a calculator on the computer. Another very special for the keyboard is micro keys from G1 to G5. How to use this setting, let me show you. When you click recording these keys, the lighting is breathing, right? And if you wanna setting G1, just click G1, it's lighting, right? And you put Q, W, E, R, these 4 keys, and recording these keys again. Then when you click G1 on your computer, it will show Q, W, E, R, these 4 keys on your computer. That means you just click 1 time and it will show 4 letters on your computer. If you wanna click all of these keys, you just repeat recording click and click G1 again, recording. Then it will click all for the micro keys. This one is a blue switch mechanical keyboard. At the back of the keyboard, you can see here is a special design for the background. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. If you have any questions, you can contact me on YouTube or Facebook.